Hello guys, this is Edward from GFTMA Online Forex Brokerage. This is end of the week, so I have planned to do some technical analysis in Indian stock. I have taken 4 stocks, so let's jump into the weekly analysis. First, I have taken Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry already given 38.2% of minimum retracement and the market is going inside a pattern. So this is called symmetric triangle pattern. This shows that the market is under pressure. So now we got 2 opportunities, whether the market is going to break above or it's going to break below. If market break above 2250 rupees, then Reliance is going to reach its new high. It is a damn sure. If market break below the pattern, which means around 2050 rupees, then sell the Reliance till 1800 rupees. If market break again 1800 rupees, then sure Reliance Industry is going to fall till 1500 rupees. So I hope you guys understand the technical analysis of Reliance Industries. So just wait for your opportunity to take trade. So second, we are going to see the technical analysis of Axis Bank. After Corona crash, Axis Bank made a good recovery from the Corona crash. So now the price is on resistance zone. You can see the price is on resistance zone, and as usual, you can see the price is moving inside a pattern. This pattern is called as ascending pattern. So this already shows us the market is under pressure. So soon again we got 2 opportunities, whether it's going to break above or it's going to break below. So if market break above the pattern, sure the target price is 900 rupees. So Axis Bank, sure it will touch its new high. If market break below the pattern, then sure it is going to fall till 625 rupees, till the support zone. So I hope you guys understand the technical analysis of Axis Bank. So just wait for the breakout and find your opportunity and then take trade in Axis Bank. So on third, we are going to see HDFC Bank. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. Same, the price moved in symmetric triangle pattern. See, the price moved in symmetric triangle pattern, but I noticed that the price already broken above. You see, the price already broken above. Now the price have to break 1550 rupees. 1550 rupees. Then it is going to reach till 1620 rupees. So sure it is going to reach 1620 rupees if market breaks 1550 rupees. What if HDFC Bank given a fake out? So if market giving a fake out and coming back, then just wait for the market to break below 1500 rupees. If market break below 1500 rupees, then sell the HDFC Bank till the trend line. See, till the trend line. So I hope you guys understand the HDFC Bank. So soon, I think by tomorrow, we got to know that HDFC Bank is going to break 1500 rupees, or it is going to giving a fake out and going down. So let's see. So we are going to the 4th chart of ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is nothing but it given a perfect bullish moment. You can see it's given a perfect bullish moment, and the price already given a perfect retracement in the minor resistance zone, minor support zone. The price already given a retracement in minor support zone. So now the price have to break the level of 705 rupees. If price break 705 rupees, then sure ICICI Bank is going to reach its new high and the target is 750 rupees is the target. You got it? See, it form a perfect high low and it's going to form high high. So you just wait for the market to break above 705. Then after you see the market break out the 705, then take trade in buy side. So sure your target is 750.